everybody, this is Dave Pereira bringing you all done 2016 Chevy Equinox. It is covered. Well, unfortunately, I bought, that's me, bad job of what is it called, polishing. Anyhow guys, look at this. Bam! Black wheels, black out everything. Look at this beauty. And as you guys can remember, this wheel area was smashed, it's fixed. So let's go through what we did to make this beauty, make this wrecked a beauty. How's that sound? All right guys, so, and the inside is all clean. Smells like a brand new car. All right, let's get into it. Let me pop the hood too so I can explain it to you guys one by one what we actually did. So first of all, the front end was pretty damaged, but in the pictures it does not look that bad. But the reality is far from different from the pictures. The reason I'm saying the main damage was this area, as you guys can see. But when we take everything off, the frame horn itself, the frame section was pretty damaged that my guy had to replace the whole frame section. So what we did was we cut the frame section. The good thing about these cars, they're unibody, so you can frame out, you can piece out all the frames. So I got a frame section from the salvage yard and they just took the whole thing apart. And guys, so see this whole section right here where the light hits? If you guys can't see, this whole section was being replaced. But as you guys can see, it looked like factory, right? Whatever the, see all these, they look brand new. So he did a really good job. He's changed all this section, whole section of this. So basically it has a new frame section. All these were fine in this area, but whole this section has been changed. So anyhow, so that's what we did. Plus this whole bumper assembly we found at the salvage yard. We got it. I got lucky on these because these are like $300 each for this grill, $150 each. Emblem alone is like 25 bucks, and the headlights are 350 bucks. So it's a pretty expensive parts. Just around here is pretty expensive, but we got it done. We put all the right parts, did it the right way, and voila. So this is it. And as a bonus, this guy come too. And also, so in the pictures it seems like a, oh, just another guy. In the pictures this seems like not a big deal, but when we remove everything, the subframe was damaged as well. So what we did, we removed whole subframe, put a new one in, a brand new one. I found one on eBay, a dealer one. Somebody's having a price reduction or something for like 250 bucks. So we bought this subframe, we sticked it in. And also, but before the subframe, I bought the knee assemblies. The problem with that had bad brakes. So we went ahead and put brand new rotors, brake pads, the front, for the rear, and to the front. So this comes brand new rotors and brand new brake pads as well. And of course went ahead and did oil change. So basically this car is perfectly done, like 200% ready to go, and it's beautiful. I mean, If I want SUV, I would get this. I mean, look at it. Isn't that a beauty? I'm not talking about this guy, he's beauty too, but look at this. Wonderful. Well, guys, and it's a pretty big SUV. I mean, the fact of I bought a small cover. This car does not. That cover doesn't cover this car anyway because this car is too big. But this cover covers the small SUVs like the Jeep Compass and everything. It covers them all. But look at it. Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's all done, all complete and ready to sell. So hopefully I will sell this bad boy really soon and make some money. That's the whole bottom line, making money. If you're not making money, you're doing it wrong or you're just wasting everybody's time. Or anyhow, you're providing job security for your body shop, guys. So that's the one thing, right? Anyway, guys, if you like my channel, hit the subscribe button, and if you want more videos, smash that bell because we are heated up. We got a ton of cars coming. The body shop guy is busting ass, and I'm being so busy buying cars and buying parts. The key thing is to buy parts cheaply. Do your research where you can buy the parts. If you can buy whatever the parts you can buy for the whatever the price they want, you ain't making any money. If you can save like $100, that will add up, because if you save $100 here, $100 there, $100 there, that's $300. So for everything, if you can save shipping, if you can find a local car parts dealer, go for it. Go talk to people. I mean, I talk to people, I get a lot of deals. So key thing is building relationships and have fun and make the money. That's the most important thing. Anyway, guys, this is Dave Pereira signing out. I will see you guys in my next video. Most likely it's gonna be, and he have to bother, right? Next, it's gonna be the Jeep Compass, the 2017 Jeep Compass. It's almost done and ready to go. So guys, I see you guys later. This is Dave Pereira signing out. See ya.